Hi, I'm Luca, Head of User Happiness at Chatfuel, and I would like to show you how to create your own full-fledged chatbot for Facebook Messenger without any coding required. But first of all, let's see what we are going to build today. I made one for an imaginary football team called the Chatfuel Rockets. I have tried it out already, but you can easily find it via Messenger by typing in the name in the search. You can then press the Get Started button at the bottom and dive right in. It allows you to subscribe for the latest news, search for NFL players, and have a look at the next matches our team needs to win. And also share feedback with bot's creator.